Give us a smile. I know you hate this part.
Is that me? I'm John. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I haven't seen a full set of teeth. I feel like I'm in high school.
You look like you're in high school.
I know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
So how do you think that's going to affect your life, having a smile again?
In every way. I mean, every way.
So last night, what was the worst the pain got after surgery?
Maybe a 1. I
Maybe a
know
1 out of
everyone
10.
says that, but it's true.
Just a smile. And take that mask off. Let me see what happens. Woo. Turn side to side. Yeah, smile. Woo. Congratulations.
Thank
Look
you.
at that smile.